Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install WordPress. So as its core, WordPress is the simplest, most popular way to create your own website or blog. Yes, you heard it right, your own website or blog. So in fact, WordPress powers over 43% of all websites on the internet. Yes, more than 1 in 4 websites that you visit are likely powered by WordPress. So the end result is that WordPress makes building a website accessible to anyone, even people who aren't developers. So this app is really useful. So if you want to enter in the world of WordPress and enjoy all of its features relating to blog, then you have to install it first. To learn how to install it, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to download or install WordPress, first of all, go ahead and tap on Play Store. After tapping on Play Store, this interface will appear on your screen. So go in the search box and search for WordPress. Now tap on the WordPress website builder. Now after tapping on WordPress, this interface will appear on your screen. So tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. And dear guys, you're almost done. Now you just have to wait for some time to get it installed and you're done. Look how easy it was. So now you just have to tap on open to use WordPress and create your own blog or website. So guys, this is it. This is how we can easily install or download WordPress. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with a more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.